Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off your notification on Frollo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn on or off your notification on Frollo, firstly go ahead and launch open your Frollo application. The home page of Frollo application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of your Frollo's account. Tap on notifications. Now to turn your notifications off, slide the slider of allow notifications to the left side. You can turn on your notification by sliding the slider to the right side. This is how you can turn on or off your notifications on Frollo quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.